All right, here's a video of me showing off some of my TTM fuel. What TTM fuel means is cards that you want to get signed. And I'm always on the lookout now, buying cheap wax boxes, sets, just junk common cards, whatever. I'm always buying stuff now that I'm back into this. Went to the flea market the other day, and I ended up buying, here's what I spent 50 bucks on. I've been kind of wanting to do some hockey. So I got this for 5 bucks. I'm not even sure what is that, Pro Set? Yeah, Pro Set 91 Pro Set hockey. So I thought 5 bucks for a whole wax box still sealed. Figured I couldn't pass up on that. It's the French too. I don't know if that makes a difference or not, but we also got this. I thought these were cool. Those are those big game day looking things, but they're called Power Play for hockey. Those are nice. I was really happy to get those. I got that for $5 for the box. 36 packs. I don't know any hockey guys that sign, but I figure I'll open it up, sort them out, see if I got some multiple cards of anybody. Then I'll look on Sports Card Forum and see if people sign or not. So, but I just wanted to try some hockey, so we ended up buying, I think, 3 hockey boxes. We got this, there's a Pro Set Platinum or something. Yeah, Pro Set Platinum 91, 92. We got that for 5 bucks, 12 trading cards per pack. I'm not sure how many packs there are. 36 packs. So that should be a lot of cards, and I always kind of like those because they didn't have any borders. So those might look good signed. So hopefully we'll get those signed, maybe. Who knows? Got this 91 Stadium Club Series 2. Don't know who's in Series 2. Don't really care. It was 5 bucks. I'm not going to pass it up for 5 bucks. There's 36 packs and a lot of cards in there. I'll probably open some of these on camera. Not right now, but eventually we'll do some opening. Here's Series 1, 1992, Stadium Club Baseball. So whoever I didn't get in Series 2, I got in Series 1. So I should get just about everybody. But yeah, I got that for 5 bucks too. I remember these were expensive when they came out. These are really, really high. It's 90 Fleer football, but paid 5 bucks for that. This was just kind of a throw-in. I think I opened up a couple packs, but myself. But this was like a half a box. Like I said, I think I got this pretty much for free. Oh, there's another hockey box. Didn't see that. Another Pro Set hockey. So I guess I'm set if I want to do some hockey. I just wanted to get some fuel there. We ended up getting this huge 1990 Fleer. What is that, like cello pack thing or something? They're the great big packs. I think these are, yeah, these have randomly inserted those Fleer All-Pro cards. I love those All-Pro cards. That's why I bought this. But I think I got this for 5 bucks too. It's 24 packs, and they're like double packs. It's really like getting 48 packs. It's huge. And I got one more box of these, just the regular box. So I ended up getting like 10 boxes for 50 bucks. So I don't know. I couldn't pass up that TTM fuel, guys. Here, I'm going to pause and we're going to move someplace else. All right, if some of you guys have seen my channel before, not only do I send out for autographs, but my main business is going to like thrift stores and flea markets and estate sales and finding stuff to sell. So I was at the Salvation Army today and I found these. And they were just kind of screaming my name. I'm going to start sending these out to get autographed. I think they're going to cost, a little bit of money to send. Like there's Chris Hamburger. He's a Hall of Famer. I think he might sign his mail. I think he signs his mail. I'm not sure if they would on these or not, but I'm thinking about sending a few off. Because I'm seeing some names here that sign. Like I said, Hamburger and I don't know if Cockcroft is still alive, but he used to sign 20 years ago when I was doing through the mail. There's really cool ones too. I'll never get signed, but there's Robin Yount. There's Richie Zisk. You know, Ken Houston, I think he signs his mail for a few bucks. I just got Rocky Bleier back the other day. I might try to send that to him, see if he'll sign that. Yeah, I mean, there's just all kinds of cool stuff. There's baseball, football. Al Oliver, I know he signs for like 10 or 20 bucks or something. I know there was a Dave Parker in here. I know he signs for 10 or 20 bucks. To tell you the truth, I didn't even look at all these. There's Steve Garvey. I just got him back today. He signs for $5. So it probably costs about $5 each way to send them in there and back. They're not very heavy, but probably add some other stuff to them for the people that don't charge, maybe. I just thought these were cool. These really brought back memories because I had these. Here's, I don't know if Booby Clark signs or not. I don't know if he's still alive. Yeah, all kinds of stuff. I know Bobby Bonds has passed away. Sal Bando. Chris Chambliss, I think he's passed. Gene Tennant's. Thurman Munson's, he's passed. Now, you know, the really good ones like Thurman Munson and stuff like that, I'll just put in my shop and I'll put, you know, $5 a piece on them or something and try to get some of my money back. But like I said, I paid $20 for all these. There's Mark Mosley. I think he signs his mail. Let me know what you guys think. Would you have bought these? You think this is a cool idea? You think the players will sign them? I just, like when I was a kid, these came out in like 1978. There's Don Sutton. You know, I could have his wife sign that for $5. But, you know, the big story is they think that, you know, his wife is signing his mail. But I don't know. I may send to him and pay the $5 to get it signed. I don't really care. It's my personal collection, and I'll throw it on my mantle, and I'll have a Mrs. Don Sutton autograph. But yeah, these are just really nice. There's Mean Joe Green. I can probably get $5 for that at the store. But yeah, I thought it was a no-brainer, guys. Here's Cy Young Award winner Randy Jones. He signs his mail. Clyde Washington, I think he's deceased. One of my favorite players right there, Dave Kingman. I've got him back before. That would be awesome to get that back. Another Al Oliver. I could probably send a couple to Al Oliver and, you know, send him 20, 40 bucks or something. Lynn Dickey, he used to sign his mail years ago. I don't know if he still does. I've been out of this so long, I don't know who signs or who doesn't. I just have to check. Jack Ham. Brian Baschenagel, I know he signs his mail. He's from Ohio State. But, I don't know, I just couldn't pass these up. When I was a kid, when they came out in 78, you know, my first thought was, when I was a kid, I was like, man, I'd like to get these autographed. These would be really cool autographed and put on my wall. But, so now here I am, 51 actually, and I'm going to get some of these autographed, hopefully. Let me know what you guys think. You guys think this was a dumb idea? You think it's pretty cool? Think it was a good deal? Think I got ripped off? What do you think? I think there was like 75 of them for like $20, so I couldn't pass them up. But hey guys, like, comment, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, and you'll get to see every video that we do. We do a lot of these videos. So take care, guys. Peace. I also just bought this sealed pack of things. They were, oops, you know, they had their cards behind there, and there's a pack of 10 cards there. And I just bought this because it was 80% off of $2. So that means I paid, what, 40 cents, I think, for it. And I was hoping to get some good cards in that pack because there's really nobody. It was Kenny Schrader, Rob Moroso, and Kenny Bernstein. So there was nobody I could use, really. But I just opened up the pack. And look what we found in the pack. I know where that's going. We're going to send that right to him tomorrow. And I think Michael Waltrip signs his mail. I was hoping there would be some good cards in here. Well, Davey Allison's deceased, but that's still a nice card. Morgan Shepherd. I'm not sure if he signs or not. A lot of these NASCAR guys sign their mail. Sterling Marlin. Harry Gant. These are all the NASCAR guys I remember. I know AJ Foyt signs his mail, I believe. Oh, yeah, Terry Labonte. This is sweet. Derek Cope and Jeff Bodine. So right there is some NASCAR fuel for like 40 cents. I would have paid that for the Richard Petty alone, but I didn't know Richard Petty was in there. All that was just bonus stuff. So that was a great deal. So what we got is all kinds of through the mail fuel right there. All right, guys, have a good one. All right, here's some guys we're not going to get signed. I think Steve Carlton charges $40. I'm not sure what Tony Perez charges, but it's probably too much. Jack Lambert, I'm sure he charges too much. Thurman Thomas is deceased. Tom Seaver died. Lou Brock died. Another Perez. John Riggins charges too much. I'm not sure about Warfield. George Brett. Mel Blunt. Dwight White's deceased. I'm not sure about Fidrich. I need to check out on him. I thought he was deceased. Those two were deceased. I think he's deceased. Thurman Munson again. Robin Yount charges like $40 or something, $20. I'm not sure. Joe Green and Jack Ham, but those are some cool stuff. And we got some stuff here. Some people here we're gonna look up. And we got these. And we got these. There's 63 of them, or 62 of them, so we're going to look them up.